it can be quite overwhelming. You've got lots to think about when you're actually buying a property. Who do I get advice from? Which lender do I go to? There's also lots of different mortgage options. And I think the first thing I'd probably say is the importance of getting advice. You can go direct to a lender. So you can go into a bank in a high street like Barclays, or you can speak to a broker who will give you advice on every different lender. So if you go in to speak to Barclays, we will speak to you about Barclays products and mortgages. If you speak to a broker, you'll get a varied range of mortgages from different lenders. And so really important to do that. What they'll do is they'll do a fact find with you, and they'll find out lots of different information about yourself. So the deposit being one of them. How much deposit do you have? Where's that deposit coming from? Who are you buying that property with? Are you buying it on your own? There's lots of myths out there. And I think people are still sometimes in the mindset that you can only go and get a mortgage with yourself and your partner or your spouse or your husband or your wife, but that's not necessarily true. It could be a friend, a family member. They could be helping you with the deposit. So all of those things combined might have an effect on which product is recommended to you and which you can do. And then also your income. So depending, you could be employed by a bank like we are and have kind of a regular income coming in, or you could be self-employed. And there's probably another myth out there that if you're self-employed and haven't been self-employed that long, that you can't get a mortgage or a mortgage product, and that's just not true. That's not true at all. I think we saw some survey results recently. Over 65% of self-employed people don't believe that they can get a mortgage, so they don't go and look. And so that's why we'd always say to everyone to encourage you to have a conversation with someone, because they will find a lender out there that will be able to help you with that, and we can help with that as well.